Well, welcome everybody to Middletown, Illinois, located in really the middle of nowhere. We're not in Middletown yet. We're about, well, I believe I put in the post office at the center of town, but this is it right here. I should probably start slowing down. Welcome to Middletown. There's the sign. Well, I said FSD to slow down, but we're not slowing down. So, I guess it's technically, yeah, there's the speed zone. Guess we technically didn't have to till that sign right there. I'm really gonna have to turn it off to get it to slow down. Come on, car. I even have speed offset off, and I have it set to what I want it to do. Looks like they just repaved their main road, though. One thing I need to try to do is remember to take a picture or for a thumbnail in each town, and you'll know if I have succeeded or not. Well, there's the water tower. You know if I succeeded, remembered or not, first if you see the thumbnail for this video, obviously. Oh, we arrived at the post office. I guess it's right there on the left. There's the Middleton post office. I don't have a destination right now, so not sure where it's deciding to go. I guess we're going left. I'm not sure why. Nope, we're going left. Why are we going left, car? But we'll tell it we want to go here. Explore the town a bit more. Oh no, I must not have a very good signal. It's taken a long time to load. Oh, I don't have any signal. That's why AT&T must not have any signal here. No, maybe I got it back. Definitely not very good. Let's see if I can see it on. No, it says it has 3 bars right now. I'm not sure what's going on. God, I should turn on the navigation sound so you can hear what road I'm going on. Typical small. Ooh, there's a cool church right there.
In 500 feet, turn left onto 5th Street.
Not sure if it's still in use. It looks kind of abandoned, but yeah, it definitely looks run down and abandoned. But
now turn left onto 5th Street.
I did get a new update, so I'm on like 14.8.9 is the main one, but oh, what is it doing?
In 500 feet, turn left onto North Anson Street.
That's weird. It decided to turn before it was originally planned to right there. But my FSD version's the same, but I did get a new main software update, so I'm not sure if that matters at all.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the right.
It probably doesn't, honestly. Oh, I gotta end the trip first. I forgot. I actually want to go here, so I can take a picture in front of the sign. See, I remembered, guys.
In 500 feet, turn left onto North Clinton Street.
Which you would already know because you've seen you clicked on the video with the picture. But hey, Oh, it just blasts through these uncontrolled intersections here.
Now turn left onto North Clinton Street.
It's like no stop sign, we're just blowing through. Like this one right here. Oh, this one why are we slamming on the brakes here? That was weird. Okay, now we're going again. I don't understand there why it randomly slowed down like that.
In 500 feet, turn right onto North Street. Now turn right onto North Street.
It's so funny how much better it turns when there's not a stop sign. But because there's a stop sign at this intersection, it's going to go ridiculously slow compared to when there's not one, like those uncontrolled intersections. There's a warning about this being a rough road.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the left.
I guess they weren't lying. There's the sun. We've got all kinds of warnings about it. Oh, they weren't. Whoa, it's slowing down. I wonder if it's slowing down for those bumps. Is that a coincidence, or is it actually slowing down for him? I'm not really sure. I don't know. We went really slow over those rough parts of the road, though. All right, let me try to take a picture in front of the sign here. I got to get the thumbnail. It's a what, 7 a.m.? No one will care. All right, now that I got the best thumbnail ever, I got to put it in drive probably. There we go. It's so weird. You cannot engage it from a stop. You just have to start rolling a tiny bit at like 1 mile an hour and then it'll engage. I'm not really sure why. You cannot judge my thumbnail taking ability. Leave a comment below if it was amazing or terrible. But I was saying we've got a bunch of heat warnings today, so or there's going to be.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto 5th Street.
I was wondering why there's so much traffic, but I guess it is Sunday and people are going to church, but probably not in this town, so they're going. Well, that guy's got a boat. He's probably not going to church.
Now turn right onto 5th Street.
Not sure how much more exploring I can do in Middletown here. I've already been down this road once already. There is the water tower once again.
Feet, turn left onto South Madison Street. Now turn left onto South Madison Street.
Guess this is kind of like the village park here in the center, which it's very hesitant turning at. Well, probably because there's a stop sign. That's the only reason it's hesitating.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Oh, it will it? Pull up the map? Whoa. Check out over here what this business is.
Now turn left onto 2nd Street. Now turn left onto 1st Street. Now turn right onto North Columbia Street.
Oh my gosh, it can't make up its mind which way it wants to turn.
Now turn right onto South Clinton Street.
How do I put force on the wheel when the car is turning? That's kind of funny how it wants you to do that.
Now turn right onto 1st Street.
Whoa, it's going a bit crazy with the turns here. It's a really narrow road.
Now turn left onto South Madison Street.
Oh my gosh, it really wants to turn a bunch. That's craziness. I've never seen it turn that much in quick succession, but it did it without any issue. It's a nice town. It seems like they've repaved all their streets, so they're all pretty nice.
500 feet, turn right onto 5th Street.
Back in the center of town, there's the post office again.
Now turn right onto 5th Street.
Dunlap House, Middletown Stagecoach Inn. Man, I need the update where I don't have to touch the steering wheel anymore. This is kind of hard for it going into the sun like this.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Oh, there's a school here apparently. Or is this a school? Guess we're turning into it.
Now your
New Holland,
destination is on the
Middletown.
right.
So supposedly they have well, there's no parking lines. Whoa. Guess we're going over here. There's no parking lines. I was saying I was going to test out Auto Park because they supposedly have made it better. Let's see if there's any parking lines on this parking lot here that I can test out Auto Park. Let's see if you can see any. They're very faint, but nope. You can't see them. Well, so much for testing out Auto Park, I guess. They supposedly made it faster with this latest update. At least I've seen that online. I haven't had a chance to test it. I want to go back to that, whatever it was called, that inn. Or the Dunlap House, whatever it was. It was right here. See if we can get out of this parking lot. I don't know why we have a signal on. Well, it's doing it. Yeah, that's good. I don't know if it was just lucky it guessed right, or it... Oh, 2 stops, double stop signs. Is it going to stop for twice as long? Well, we got to go left, car. Why are we going right? What? We went the wrong way. No. Oh my.
1,000 feet, better right onto 100th Avenue.
What? What are you doing, car? Why'd you turn the wrong direction? That doesn't make any sense. It wants to go 4 miles because it turned the wrong way. No, we're not going to do that, car. I'm not sure what it was doing there. Okay, see, car, if you should turn left, it's only 0.4. I'm not sure what it was doing. Why do they have Oprah on their sign? That's bizarre. Alright, let's see if we can get back to the that historical building there, whatever it was.
In 500 feet, turn right onto South Madison Street.
Actually, we don't want to turn right, do we? It's up here on the left or something.
Now turn right onto South Madison Street.
I put it in the wrong place.
Now turn right onto 4th Street.
I don't even know if this place has parking. I guess just... Whoa! What are you doing, car? I'm trying to park. It's trying to get me to not park right there. I'm gonna go see what this building is. Trying to see what this historical building is in Middletown, Illinois here. Some kind of stagecoach inn from 1837. Let's see what this says. Ooh, they landed their balloon here on a, that's pretty cool. Oh, I don't have the whole thing in there. What's this say? Oh. The Wright brothers landed here in their hot air balloon or something? That's pretty cool. Lincoln's Post Road to New Salem. Oh, is this where one of the roads Lincoln went down, I guess? What's this say? Middletown. Pretty cool, I guess. Lincoln was here. That's how a lot of central Illinois historical stuff is. Abe Lincoln was here and did something. Not sure if that's a private or public or what it is. If they have tours or no idea. There's a water tower. Yeah, that's Middletown, Illinois. Well, time to leave the amazing town of Middletown and continue our adventure, which will be in the next video or the previous video, probably the next one. So I usually try to upload them in order. I think I'm going to Greenview next, so tune in for that one. Or subscribe if it's not uploaded yet. Yeah. Oh, we're randomly slowing down. We can get out of
In 500
Middletown here.
feet, turn right onto North Columbia Street. Now turn right onto North Columbia Street.
So far this trip, we've gone 23 miles and we're at 202 watt-hours a mile, which is essentially 5 miles a kilowatt-hour if you want to use the non-Tesla or the kind of standard way most automakers talk about it. Yeah, that'll be it for Middletown. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you want to insult me or you think this is the best video ever, or hit the not interested button and you never have to see my videos ever again. Wouldn't that be great? Or subscribe if you want to see more. And thanks for watching. We're not going 28 miles an hour the whole way.